Greetings my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about wedge and flags and pennants. This is the shape of a wedge as we all know. A wedge looks like a symmetrical triangle, but wedges are distinguished by a noticeable slant either to upside or to downside. You can see here it slants upside and here it slants downsides. Okay. A rising wedge is bearish and a falling wedge is bullish. An upward trend in prices is known as a rising wedge and a downward trend in prices is known as a falling wedge. When a rising wedge is found in a downtrend or in an uptrend, it is considered as a bearish pattern. Here you can see after this rising wedge there is a bearish tendency, and when a falling wedge found in an uptrend or in a downtrend, it is considered as a bullish pattern. After this falling wedge, you can see a bullish tendency. Okay. And the next pattern is flags and pennants. As we all know, this is a flag and a pennant is look like a flag, and this is a pennant. In the case of charts, here this is a flag and this is the flagpole, and it is found in an uptrend, so the uptrend will continue as it is a continuation pattern. And here this is another flag, this is a pennant, this is another pennant, and these are short-term chart patterns and generally last for 1 to 3 weeks. These are considered to be continuation patterns and they represent a brief pause in a fast-moving market. After the pause, price moves in the same direction as it is a continuation pattern. Okay, here this is a flag which is found in upward tendency, so the upward tendency will continue, and this is the pause or sideways movement, and here this flag is found in a downtrend and the downtrend will continue, and this is a pennant found in an uptrend, then the uptrend will continue, and this is a pennant found in a downtrend and the downtrend will continue. Okay, the main difference between these price movements can be seen in the middle section of the chart pattern. Okay, these patterns are occurring either in the midway of a sharp rise in prices or in between a steep fall in price. Okay, here you can see a sharp rise in prices and here you can see a steep fall in price. Okay, the middle section of the pennant look like a symmetrical triangle. That is, its trend lines are converging. And in the case of flag formation, it's look like a parallelogram with two parallel lines. Okay, so these are all about wedge and flags and pennants. Thank you.